Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly delicious and easy keto recipe, mashed garlic roasted cauliflower. This dish is not only super simple to prepare, but it's also perfect for anyone following the keto diet. You'll need just a few ingredients: cauliflower, garlic powder, olive oil, butter, heavy cream or Greek yogurt for a tangy twist, and some seasoning. Let's get started. First, wash your cauliflower and cut it into small pieces. Next, toss it on a baking tray. Drizzle with your oil of choice. Sprinkle with garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Once your cauliflower is roasted, transfer it into a food processor, add butter and heavy cream, or Greek yogurt if you prefer, and pulse until it's smooth and creamy. This garlic roasted mashed cauliflower is not only filling, but also totally keto-friendly. Give it a try at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to share your thoughts with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.